Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So I'm very excited to be back at this hotel, the Anam Hotel in Cam Ranh. Is peak holiday season in Vietnam. And I booked it very late, making the wrong assumption as a frequent traveler. And they have no rooms available, and this is the only room that they can offer me. They are like fully booked. So as such, they apologize and want to give me a better room, but they say, it's not the best room they have in house, not the same as the one that I stayed before, which I say, I really want to come back and please book me a room. So here I am. And when I got in here, I'm actually, quite nicely surprised because, they told me my room doesn't have a bathtub and it is more like the barrier-free room. Okay, so I say it doesn't matter, give me a room. And this is the room tour. So as you can see, the decor and everything is very clean cut, very nice. The rain shower is here, the toilet is here, the sink is here. This is the amenities, as well as the amenities here. Okay, so it's very spacious because it's a barrier-free room, which I don't mind at all. And then, of course, the familiar bathrooms and the Vietnamese hat and the slippers and the flip-flop, as well as iron board. And then in the wardrobe, there's hair dryer as well as safe deposit box, and then the beach bag as what I expect from the Anam Hotel in Cam Ranh. And also, that's where I put my luggage. The weight is here. And then this is a nice, king size room, nice decor with the same decor, the hardwood floor at the main, and then, some of the Vietnam characters tile that fill up the room, with also the ceiling fan and things like that. So very comfortable. Okay, my welcome message. This is my room. Okay, so let me show you what they have. Okay, again, the minibar is here. You have to pay, but of course they put in water here so we can enjoy the water, as well as the kettle and then some mugs and things like that. And actually I will double check because I'm quite surprised that also they do not have the coffee machine. So it's the second hotel, because I do remember they have the coffee machine before. So maybe because it's the Vietnamese holiday, then they expect more local people to stay and they may not have the coffee machine. But anyway, I will double check, but they have 4 nice bottles of water. Okay, and this is the resort map. I have a very nice room, very close to the beach last time that I can walk over. This time I'm getting a normal, regular room. Okay, so the stationery and stuff like that. And then over here, another very comfortable counter, a living area, the sofa area. As I say, I love fresh flowers, that what they have. The welcome food plate, as well as the handwritten note. And then a very lovely dessert, or like very cute welcome. So that is nice. And then over on this side is actually the outdoor balcony, so to speak. I'm on the ground floor for some outdoor greenery, so to speak. So very simple. I'm here for one night. Definitely next time I would not choose to come back during the peak season, coinciding with the Vietnam holiday. And I hope I can show you another room type, but I really love this hotel, so I'm definitely going to come back. Okay, so follow me. I'm going to have dinner tonight, and I'm trying to change my flight tomorrow, so I may be able to enjoy breakfast tomorrow morning. So just follow me and I will show you more about this hotel again. This is the lobby area. This is such a beautiful property. So I'm now walking to the restaurant. Hi. Yep.
Dinner. I will serve you with two Thai, the focaccia and the sourdough right there.
Yep.
And this one is the black garlic combo burger.
Okay.
And the special sauce of Colonial. And we also serve you with the kaya espuma.
Okay.
It tastes like the kaya toast.
Okay.
From Singapore.
Oh,
the egg
interesting.
yolk right there. You have
Okay.
to rake there with a teaspoon.
Great.
And enjoy with the bread.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Next, we just serve the chai like
Perfect. Yep.
with
Yep.
the miso garlic sauce.
Okay.
With the chorizo and the daikon jam. We'll come with some salad for you.
Okay, thank you. Oh, so you're having the same thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have the salted macaroni.
Okay.
Serve you with the sweet and sour soup.
Okay.
We also take inspiration from one famous Vietnamese soup.
Okay.
We serve you with the honey tomato and the fermented starfruit mix.
Great. Thank you. Okay.
Serve you with the cool one and the oolong tea and the yellow rice and bread.
Perfect. Thank you. And now I'm walking towards the beach to take some photos before I take an early flight on and leave Cam Ranh or Nha Trang. Okay, so many people wake up early for the yoga class.
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn.